Pagudpud, known for its pristine beaches, holds a hidden treasure beneath its waves. These antepara, or goggles as we call them, were used by our old fisher folks and are regarded as more than just a gear in our community. For locals, antepara symbolizes more than exploration. It represents a connection to the ocean that sustains both livelihood and culture. As Pagudpud welcomes visitors, these lenses reminds us to explore, appreciate, and protect the beauty that lies within the surface.
Pagudpud shifts its focus from its famed white sand beaches to the Patapat Viaduct. Merchants like Rosario once braved its treacherous cliffs, navigating storms and landslides with nothing but faith. Tonight, as thousands anticipate their performance, the question remains, will this bold move secure their place among the best? Or will the ranks of champions prove too steep to climb? Let's see if they can rise above.
We came up with a performance where both the contingents and audiences will experience the struggles of travelers before the Patapat Viaduct was built, making it entirely different from last year's performance.
The Patapat Viaduct is more than a road. It connects people and communities. Before it was built, traders and travelers risked their life on dangerous mountain trails. We tell their story, honoring their struggle and the path that made travel safer for future generations.
Steep cliffs, rough seas, and the real traders talk every day. We will bring their experience to the Tanok stage.
Labing-labing lakat, mabalin.
This dilemma among the travelers reaches the office of the President Ferdinand E. Marcos. Upon hearing the news, he flew to Pagudpud to personally assess the dire situation. The Patapat Viaduct was built during the administration of former President Ferdinand E. Marcos, which was completed October 1986.
presents to you the Patapat Bridge of Pagudpud.
Kangayedan.